In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Meta AI Image Generator. This tool is an exciting way to bring your imaginative ideas to life through AI-generated imagery. It's really straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to create amazing images to suit any occasion. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log in using your Meta account. This could either be your Facebook or Instagram account. If you're already logged into one of these platforms in your browser, it might automatically recognize you and prompt you to continue. Otherwise, just follow the usual steps to log in with your Meta credentials. This step is crucial because it ensures that your work is saved and accessible whenever you need it. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main interface of the Meta AI Image Generator. This is where the magic happens. In front of you is a prompt box. Here, you'll type in your image request. A great way to start is by using the word imagine. This sets the tone for the AI to know you're starting a creative journey. Then, go ahead and describe the image you envision. Be as detailed as you can. Mention the style. Maybe it's a vintage photograph or a colorful painting. Think about the setting. Does it take place in a bustling city or a serene forest? What mood do you want to capture? Is it cheerful, somber, or maybe mystical? Lastly, if there are any characters, describe them. Are they human, animals, or perhaps mythical creatures? The more details you feed into the prompt, the closer the generated images will align with your vision. Once you've finished crafting your prompt, it's time to submit it. Press the submit button, and then sit back and wait for the system to do its magic. The AI will quickly work to interpret your description, and in just a few moments, you'll be presented with a selection of images. Typically, 4 options will appear. These are variations crafted based on your narrative and style preferences. Now comes the fun part. Take a good look at each of the generated images. Consider which one best matches what you had in mind. This is where you get to curate and really hone your creative choice. When you find the one, you can download it directly to your device or share it straight from the interface. Keep in mind, the image will have a small watermark indicating it was generated by AI, a little nod to the technical wizardry behind its creation. And that's it. You've just used the Meta AI Image Generator to create a unique image. It's a powerful tool that taps into the potential of artificial intelligence to bring your creative ideas to life quickly and easily. So next time you need an image that's out of the ordinary, you'll know just where to go. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!